Hi everyone, welcome to this new lecture of AutoCAD. In this lecture, we'll practice two problems in our AutoCAD. So these are the basic fundamental problems I have taken. So these two diagrams we'll draw today lecture. So let's go to the AutoCAD here. Already I have opened the AutoCAD software. Here we need to click the new. So after clicking the new, we can get a screen like this. In the screen you can see that number of grids are available. To switch off these grids or to off the grid, we can click on the F7 so that the grids will be off. Now before going to draw the diagram, we need to do some basic settings in the screen. So what are the settings are there? First we need to create the drawing sheet. For to create the drawing sheet, we are having two methods. One we can do by limits, another one we can do by MB setup. So I'll go for the MB setup. Just to type MB setup on the screen and go for that enable paper space, no. Enter unit type decimal we can type, and the scale factor is 1, and the paper width is, we can type this is 420, and paper height we can take 297. So that we can see there is a drawing sheet is created with some dimensions in our screen. Now apart from that, also we can go for some other settings like units. You can type units and just check it, decimal is there, precision make it 0, and check the units, make it to millimeter, and OK it. That is the units. Along with that, we need to also check it that OSNAP value, like OS enter. OSNAP, you just select all these parameters here. What are the modes are there? You can select all, make it OK. This is OSNAP settings. And suppose if your command bar is not visible, now it is visible for me. If in your system command bar is not visible, then we can just type, like we can hold control 9. Now you see, I clicked a control 9, yes, that means command bar is gone, it is not visible. Suppose in your screen it is not there, then again you just click control 9, you can see the command line. Similarly, these are the ribbon bars are there. If the ribbon is visible, then okay. If it is not visible, these are the things, ribbons, and we can just type ribbon close. Ribbon close means that is gone, all these bars are gone here. Again, if you want to see that ribbon, just you type RIBB1 on. So ribbon will be again appeared here. So this is the basic few settings we need to see in our AutoCAD. Now we'll go for the diagram. So before, just again you check it once what are the values are there. So I'll try to draw the first one, the 70 dimension length, height is 60, this arc is 35 radius, this is 20 radius, and this is 50, 15. So this is the basic dimension values. So I'll select the line here. So first line I'll select from here. Now you can see these lines are coming inclined, not straight. So if I click on the F8, so F8 is the command for orthogonal on. So ortho on, just you type 70, enter, go for the height of 60, then again go this side of 70, then come down 60 here. So like that I have completed this rectangle, you can say. Now I will go for circle, select the circle, go for the middle point, and this is the radius of 20. Now again I can go for arc, or I can go for circle also. So I'll go for arc, start, center, end. So I'll start from here, start, center, end. Completed. Sometimes students used to start that arc from here, this side. If you click from here, start, center, end. Now you see it is coming in the bottom side, like below side it is coming. So you can hold the control bottom, then you can click it here. By that also you can draw. Okay. So this is the basic things we can do it. Now the next one is the rectangle we need to draw. So select the line. So from this corner point, the line is situated with a distance of 10. Again, the height is 15 here taken. Then we can take this side 50, and above height is 15, and this side again 50 is there. Then come down again 15. So now we can see our box is completed. This one again we can delete it, this is not required. Now once you complete the diagram, we need to go for the dimensions. First to select the dimensions of linear dimensions. So linear dimensions we can select from here to here. This is 70, and again you can just click on enter. This dimension we can give it here, take it down. Some rules are there in the dimensions. Dimensions should not be overlapped, and dimensions should not be given inside the diagram. So I'll try to keep the diagram dimensions outside the diagram here, like this. Again just I'll click it here. This is the dimension value, which is 15, and the distance from here to here it is also 15. So these are the linear dimensions which is required, I have given. Now I'll go for the next dimension, which is radius is there. Suppose this is the radius is there, radius 35. Again, this is the radius of 20. So I can give it here, this is 20. So all these dimensions are I have given. So now this diagram is completed. So if you want to highlight this diagram, also I can highlight this by selecting this total diagram, and just you go for by layer, change its color and give the thickness of this. Some thickness I can give it. Line width setting, select the line width setting, OK it. Now see, this is highlighted. This is the first one, what we have seen the first diagram. Now we'll do the second diagram, practice figure 2. So in this figure 2, if you see, we are having 3 diagrams are there, 3 circles are there. First one 80 diameter, second 64 diameter, third one is 42 diameter. And first I'll draw the circle, then I'll come to the bottom part here, this one and this one. So let's go back to the AutoCAD here. Again I'll select the circle. So diameter is given 80, so I'll take 40 radius 40. So yeah, let's check it whether the diameter is correct or not. So diameter I've taken 80. Yeah, it is 80 is there. So it's correct. Now again one more circle need to be done. So circle again I'll do. This is of 32 radius. Again one more circle need to draw. That is 21. I think 21. Yeah, 21. So now we need to take a distance from here, from the center point to here bottom, 40 mm distance. That is the radius of the circle. Then this side we need to consider 53. Okay, the total length is from here to, from this center point to the center point 106. So let us take 106. Completed. Now here I'll draw 2 circles. C, enter. I'll just select this point. The distance how much? This is 42 diameter, 42 22. So 42 in the sense that is 21, and one more circle that is 22 means that is 11. Okay, these 2 things completed. Now again I'll take a line from this point to 38 distance. 38, this side I'll take 40. Again I'll come this side 80. Okay, so now again two more circle need to draw. So C, enter, select this point, and here it is yeah, one is 8. So another one is circle here. This is how much? 16. So now see, this is 16, this is 8. Okay, so I have done all these things. Now we need to join the line from this tangent point to the next tangent point. So suppose this is our circle is there, tangent point to this tangent point, this is the visible tangent point is visible. So I can join it here. Okay, similarly again from this circle tangent point to, we need to check it where the tangent point is visible. So then only you can join it. Now see, it is visible here. Okay, the tangent point you can see the circle in the top, one line will be there. So you can join it. Okay, once you join this one, just to select this part, this all these things what I have drawn this side, select all these things. Then with simple mirror command, I can just mirror this part to the other side here. Just to select from here to here. Erase the source object, no need to select. We need to keep the base one, then we can draw it here. Okay, so now these lines are not required for me. So I can delete these lines. What are the lines we have drawn? These things we can delete. This is not required now. So mostly completed. So these lines, let's keep it here. One more things we need to draw, that is this arc. Okay, this arc need to draw with the radius of 24. So what I'll do here, I can just select the same thing like start, center, arc. So this is starting point, this is middle point, and this is ending point. Okay, now this one we can delete. Now these 2 parts we need to trim. So this one upper part, this part we need to trim. Just you can trim this point also. Okay, mostly we have completed. And next, if you see, yeah, mostly we have completed. And here inside we need to give some these slots are there. Okay, that we need to draw. That is the extra part. So what I'll do, just I'll select a line and I'll come to, so line, select it, and from this center point take a height of how much? 4 mm, and I'll take to this side. I can just keep it here, then come to bottom. Here it is 8 mm, and just to click it here. That's it. So what I'll do here, I'll trim all these things. All these things I'll trim it here, except this part which is there. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll just select this tool and I'll just make an array of it. Okay, many methods are there to draw this, but I'll choose this method. First you select draw this two line, then select this two line, go for array, polar array. Select the center point. Now see, 6 items we have circulated here. Equally circulated this one, divided here. Now this is completed. Then the next part is we need to trim. So the unnecessary circles or arcs which is not required for us, we can trim it here. Now you can see, just easily we can trim it here. And inside this also hole is there. This one we can make it hole. Okay. So I hope you are getting this point. So see, to draw these slots or reefs, we are having many methods out there, but I have taken this method which is comfortable for me. So now we'll go for the dimensions. All diameters are there. I'll keep it diameter outside 80. Then this is our 42 diameter. This is our 64 diameter. This is little bit clumsy. Okay, and okay, before going to diameter, I can just if you want to give the color for this also, we can mark it. Again, just I'll change its color, and I can go for its layer also. The selection of layer also you can give it. So like that we can give it. And this two also, okay, given, no issue. So on the other diameters also you can mark it. This is 42, then this is of 22, and this is 32, this is 16. Yeah, these are the diameters are given, just I have highlighted that. Along with that also I can mark it linear dimensions, like from this center point, from this midpoint to this midpoint of this line. How much? This is 40 mm. Let's take it outside. Again from this midpoint to, just keep it here, so you'll get the another midpoint, that is 38. Again from this midpoint to here, total another midpoint here, 106, and the final one, this one, from here to here, that is 80 mm. So this is all about total dimensions, and one more is given, this one, one align dimension is there. So I'll take it that align dimension, like from here to this point, 8 mm. Okay, that also. So I hope you understand how to draw it, and if you are having any doubt and query regarding this, if I have anything missed here, you can also make a highlight of that. If you are able to understand, well and good. If you are still having any doubt and query regarding this, you can give a comment on the comment box. Thank you all.